GASTAC truck hood gas springs fit multiple brands and years, matching the original design for an exact fit. GASTAC truck hood gas springs lift easy, close smooth, protect your vehicle. GASTAC has 20 years of export experience. We serve both wholesale and retail. We offer a 2-year warranty. GASTAC products have ISO certification, ensuring reliability and safety. GASTAC gas springs delivered by air, sea, or rail, always on time. You can reach us here. We are sourcing heavy-duty truck parts wholesalers. GASTAC offers competitive prices and quality products.